Today, I'll show you how to create an author website in Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned novelist or just starting out a bit, having a professional online presence is essential. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of setting up your site, focusing on adding a dedicated page for your books. This is a great way to showcase your work and make it easy for readers to find and learn about your books. First, let's dive into creating the books page. This is where you'll feature all your published works. Start by navigating to your Squarespace site editor. Once there, you'll want to add a new section to your page. Look for the Add Section option, which is typically located at the bottom of your current page content. Click on this option and you'll be presented with a variety of layout choices. When selecting a layout, you can opt for a grid or gallery style. These are particularly effective for displaying multiple book covers in an organized manner. If you have a specific vision in mind, you can also choose to manually design your page using Squarespace's Fluid engine. This tool is incredibly flexible, allowing you to drag and drop elements to create a custom layout that suits your aesthetic. Once you've selected your preferred layout, it's time to add your book covers. For each book, you'll need to insert an image block. This is where you'll upload and display the cover image. Make sure each image is clear and high resolution to capture the attention of your visitors. A good tip is to ensure that all your cover images are uniform in size for a neat and professional appearance. Next, directly next to or below each cover image, you'll want to add a text block. This is where the magic happens, as you'll provide the key details about each book. Start by entering the book title and format it as heading 3. This not only makes the title stand out, but also aids in keeping your typography consistent throughout the site. Below the title, include a short synopsis of the book. This should be concise yet engaging, giving potential readers a taste of the story without revealing too much. Use paragraph 2 formatting for the synopsis to maintain a clean and readable look. Remember, the goal is to intrigue your visitors and encourage them to learn more about your work. Finally, add a button block next to each book's information. This button can link directly to purchase options such as Amazon or your own store, or even to a page with more detailed information about the book. Customize the button text to something inviting like "Learn More" or "Buy Now." By following these steps, you'll have a beautifully designed books page that highlights your work and provides a seamless experience for your visitors. Squarespace's user-friendly tools make it easy to adjust and update your site as you publish more books. Remember, your author website is an extension of your personal brand, so make sure it reflects your unique style and voice. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating an author website in Squarespace. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Feel free to explore further customizations to make your site truly yours. Happy writing and happy website building.